In this video, I will show you how to resize image in Wix. First, on a website editor, click on your image. Then you can just drag its edges to resize it. Another option is to go to Settings, then click Adjust. Then select Crop and Extend. Here you will see different images ratios that you can choose from. Just click on Save once done. Now if you have images that are fixed, like in Products, just click on it, then go to Settings. Now choose Layout and select Product Images. Now under Image Ratio, you can resize the images of your products. And that's just it. That's how you resize image in Wix. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.